The building enclosure is designed to manage airflow, which conveys both heat and moisture. Air flowing into or out of the building enclosure is determined by air pressure. Air flowing into the house is generally called air infiltration, which can be driven by wind pressure outside, the temperature difference between indoors and outdoors, or stack effect, or the HVAC and exhaust systems. Continuous air barriers reduce air infiltration and exfiltration through the building enclosure. This is accomplished by using tape, caulk, foam, and other air barrier products. Air flowing out of the house is generally called air exfiltration, which is driven by the same factors as infiltration: wind, stack, and the balance of the HVAC system. The air barriers mentioned earlier that reduce air infiltration also minimize air exfiltration. Nonetheless, the HVAC and exhaust systems must be sealed and balanced to minimize the pressures they induce across the building enclosure. The performance of air barriers such as caulking, foam, house wrap, and tape greatly depends on the skill and quality of the trade performing the work. Caulking is a tedious job, but a necessary part of airflow management. The highest levels of air tightness are achieved using sheet materials which block airflow, such as house wrap, drywall, or rigid insulating sheathing, combined with complementary materials which seal the gaps and penetrations, such as gaskets or tapes. The application of spray foam insulation provides a continuous air barrier and is ideal for locations where caulking can be difficult. Typical areas include the transitions between the foundation and the wall, roof and the wall, and unconditioned spaces such as ceilings in a garage. There are many types of exterior building wraps, and in some cases they have multiple functions. They can resist water, such as rain, and air when edges are overlapped and taped. But many of the house wrap products are designed to allow moisture vapor transmission. The management of airflow is important to the overall performance of the building enclosure.